These scenes were captured in Myers Beach, Florida, a calm day that quickly spiraled into catastrophe. Filmed in 2022, this footage shows the terrifying moment when Hurricane Ian tore through the state. It's a powerful reminder of how unpredictable and unforgiving nature can be. Take a look. In just minutes, the storm surge swallows the neighborhood whole. Roads vanish, and the area becomes completely submerged, transformed beyond recognition. Hurricane Ian ranked among the 3 costliest natural disasters in U.S. history, causing more than $13 billion in destruction and tragically claiming over 110 lives. Powerful storms ripped through central Tennessee, leaving 6 dead and at least 60 others injured. Entire neighborhoods were torn apart, and nearly 40,000 residents were left without electricity. This footage captures the chaos firsthand, transformers exploding as the sky lights up like a war zone.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Whoa! The transformer just blew. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Okay, we're...
The aftermath reveals entire communities leveled by the tornado's force.
I had a call at AHC in Clarksville, 900 Promotional North Drive. We have an employee that fell and hit her head. 24, his head, sorry, 24-year-old male.
Coal mining remains one of the most hazardous jobs on Earth. This clip follows a miner descending deep underground to reach his work site. If the narrow tunnels don't unsettle you, just imagine the immense weight pressing from above. For thousands of workers, this is an everyday reality. In some parts of the world, miners earn as little as $4 per day, while in the US, their average wage sits around $24 an hour. Next, this alarming incident comes from China, caught on security cameras at a busy intersection. A distracted truck driver speeds through a red light, and with another vehicle turning ahead, there's no time to stop. The impact sends the truck tipping onto its side, crushing a nearby car beneath its container. Miraculously, no one lost their life in this horrifying accident. What's your reaction to this clip? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Elephants aren't usually territorial, but they can become aggressive when they feel cornered or threatened. In this video, an elephant suddenly charges at a vehicle full of tourists, forcing the driver to speed away to safety. Experts believe the animal felt that its path was being blocked, triggering a defensive reaction. Luckily, the chase ended without anyone getting hurt. In December, massive wildfires broke out across Chile, ravaging areas like Villa Alemana and La Ligua. The flames consumed over 1,200 acres of land, forcing more than 370 people to evacuate. Residents and emergency crews captured the shocking images, walls of fire consuming everything in their path.
Agarró con patica. Concha tu madre.